Write files directly to your hard drive using Sonnet 3.5, the leading language model in its class. Let's walk through a quick demonstration. First, provide clear instructions for the model's task. Then, specify a destination folder for file creation. Use the Create Overwrite Files function to generate your content. Remember, exercise caution when using this feature. It has the power to overwrite existing files on your hard drive, so double-check your settings before proceeding. This powerful tool streamlines your workflow, allowing for efficient file management and content creation.